Add banana to caramel and you will thank me for the result. No one tells you the secret. Let's start our recipe by adding 395 grams of condensed milk to the pan. Next, we will add 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Once this is done, we will mix very well so that the cornstarch integrates with the condensed milk. Do you want to make that different, delicious dessert that is a hit on the weekends? This recipe will leave everyone's mouth watering. Now add 200 grams of cream, a spoonful of vanilla essence, and 200 ml of milk, remembering that my cup is 240 ml. Once this is done, we will mix very well until we get a smooth and homogeneous cream. And if you're enjoying our recipes, leave us a comment below from which city you're watching us from. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. And that's the point of our cream. It will stay like this, at this consistency. Now add all the cream into a bowl, and look how beautiful and consistent the cream is. Using a spoon, add the cream to the dish. While we prepare the second part, leave the cream in the fridge. Now, we will need 4 bananas. Remove the skin and cut them all into slices. Have you ever thought about making this dessert for your loved one? I'm sure you'll thank me in the end. It's amazing. It's quick to make. It only takes a few ingredients and it's delicious. Now, set aside the bananas. Then, in another pan, we will add 2 cups of sugar. Let's stir and wait for the sugar to melt completely. Once it melts, we will add a cup of water. Add the water little by little and mix very well. This part needs to be a little careful so as not to burn yourself. Just keep mixing until it melts again, and it will stay at that consistency. Once done, add the bananas in here. Then cover the pan halfway to avoid spilling the caramel. Leave for 3 minutes until the caramel integrates with the banana. Now just stir lightly. And it's ready. Let it cool a little and add it on top of the cream. And look how beautiful this dessert is. Honestly, there's no way to resist. Your family will love this recipe. Then put it in the fridge for an hour and it's ready. Look what a perfect dessert. Now just remove a piece and serve. If you've made it this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10. Which rating you give to this dessert. I really hope you liked it. I'll stay here. A big hug, and until the next recipe.